I use high-end and affordable makeup together all the time because price isn't what matters to me. It's about the performance. So today I'm taking 8 high-end products and applying them to one side of my face. And then I'm taking 8 affordable products and applying them to the other side of my face. Because it's about how it performs, wears, and looks that really matters. So together we're going to take a look and see, after I apply them, can you really tell the difference? Because these dupes are remarkable, and I can't wait for you to come along with me and decide, can you really tell the difference or not? Let's get started. The first item that we're applying is our foundation. The one on the high-end side is going to be Givenchy. This is the Prisme Libre Glow Serum Foundation. My color is 2N. Let's put some over here on my right side. This product gives you a natural looking glow. I'm going to put it on my eyelids as well. Now I do want to let you know that I have my everyday skin prep on right now. I did everything I normally would before we applied all of these products so that we get a true depiction on how they perform on my everyday skin prep. So now we have one side of the Givenchy of the Prisme Libre Serum Glow Foundation, and for the other side I've chosen the e.l.f. Halo Glow Foundation. Now this one is in color 0.5 Fair, and let's put this on the left side. Now this foundation is supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury, but I think it's a dupe or a very close in performance. It's very close in performance with the Givenchy Glow Serum, and I'll let you determine what you think. Now we have the high-end on my right side, and we have the affordable drugstore on my left. The next item we're going to compare is concealer. Now on the high-end side, I'm going to be using Clarins, and this product is called the Instant Soothing Long Lasting, and my color is 01. So let me put a little bit of this, how I normally would, every single day, which would be inside and outside. And both of these products, they're so soothing to the eye that we're going to be using. And so less is more, and both are very moisturizing. We are going to compare today. Now, what we're going to compare the Clarins with is the L'Oreal True Match Serum Correct. This has 1.5 hyaluronic acid. It's got caffeine, and my color is W3. So now let's put this on the other side, opposite of the Clarins. So I go inner corner and outer. So let's see how this compares to our Clarins. And I wanted to let you know that I always put concealer around my mouth here where I have some hyperpigmentation. We have compared Clarins, and we've compared with the L'Oreal Affordable here. The next item that we're going to apply is blush. On the high-end side, we're going to apply a blush by Mario, and this is called the Soft Pop Blush Stick, and it's the color Dusty Rose. So let's put this on. This is what it looks like. It's a really nice twist up, and you can see the color, and this is very moisturizing. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit, and it's extremely pigmented. Let me apply this one. And this color is extremely universal because it really blends in the skin, and it is so soft and moisturizing that most often I do not have to even put a powder on top for longevity. It's very good at staying where it's supposed to be. All right, its competitor It's comparison. Its dupe in color is going to be none other than the e.l.f. And this is the Soft Glam Cream Blush Stick. This is called Plum Independence. Now this is a newer product to their line, and this has a stick as well. Look at that. It's quite similar, isn't it? Let's look at that color for fun. Look at these two colors. They're very similar. So every product that we are comparing, the high-end and the drugstore today, the affordable side, I tried to match the colors as close as possible for us. So I'm going to do the exact same thing that we did with the Mario. And then you and I are going to decide which one looks nice for mature skin and which one you prefer. This one is a lot more pigmented with one swipe. So I'm going to have to put a little bit more of the Mario on the other side. We've applied the blush stick by Mario on our high-end side, and this is Dusty Rose. And on the other side, we have the e.l.f. in Plum Tenderly. The next item we're applying is our brows. For the high-end side, I've chosen the Estee Lauder Brow Multitasker, and the color is brunette. Let's put this on. Now this product has this angled brush, and so it's very, very easy to use. The color is brunette. This Estee Lauder brow pencil is so soft, you have to be careful because it slides on like a dream. All right, then I'm going to take the spoolie and I'm going to brush up those hairs. Okay, that's our Estee Lauder side. Now on the other side, I thought we could compare it with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill. And coincidentally enough, this is called brunette as well. So let's put this on our left side, our affordable side. Now this is almost identical. Let me show you this. They both have a spoolie and they both have the angled tip, which is why it's a perfect comparison for today's video. So let me apply this on my left side. It has the identical angled tip. So as you see, I start on the bottom, and we all have our own technique to do our brows. Now I have both of the eyebrow products on. The next item that we're going to apply to our high-end and affordable look today is an eyeshadow palette. Now the palette that I chose for the high-end side is going to be by Hung Van Gogh. This is what it looks like. It's all neutrals, but I think I'm going to use 3 colors out of this palette. And on the other side, wait till you see how the affordable drugstore side is almost identical. I'll show you the two in just a moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the light color. Let me just place this all over for us. And I'm going to try to create a duplicate look, a match, let's say. When I went through my collection and was pulling products for this, I couldn't get over how similar so many of the high-end and affordable products actually are. It's quite astonishing. Let me blend all of this together. Now that we've applied the high-end on our right side, this was the eyeshadow compact that I thought would be a good match, a good dupe for that. And this is the Milani. These colors are absolutely almost identical. Look at that. They're very similar. So let me apply in the exact order over here what we were doing on our high-end side with the lightest color all over. I'm trying to keep this as same on both eyes for us today. The next product to apply in our look is going to be an eyeliner, and I chose one by Prada, and the color is Wood. This is what it looks like. Let's apply it on the high-end side. So I'm going to start over here. This eye pencil is really, really soft. It glides on like a dream. It just melts into your skin. So on our right side, we have the Prada eye pencil in wood. So I found a comparison dupe for this one on our affordable side, and this is by L'Oreal. It's their Infallible, and this is in brown denim. So let's put this on. It's always sold out, and this one is an automatic, so it doesn't even need sharpening. Now it's time to apply mascara. On the high-end side, I chose Tartelette XL, and this is a tubing mascara. Let's put it on. Now, tubing mascaras are all different. At least every time that I try a tubing mascara, and I try them all, I have found they're very different actually, because some really give curl, some make the lashes really thin and long. So each line is different. So that's our high-end side on our right side, and this is the XL. There's two versions of this. There's a purple one and the gold. I think this gold means it's extra lengthening. So that's this. Now its competitor, its comparison match is going to be none other than the Maybelline Sky Tubes. I've used this on my channel so many times because from the drugstore, an affordable dupe to this Tartelette is absolutely this Maybelline. Let me put it on this side for us. So this product does come off easily with soap and water. It comes off with a makeup remover. It comes off with just a basic face wash, and it truly just slides off. The final thing to complete our look is going to be lipstick. And I've chosen a lipstick by Lancome, and this is their Rouge line, and this is number 214 Rosewood Ruby. Now I've applied the Rosewood Ruby, and this is number 214 on my right side, our high-end side. Now it's time to meet its match. And I've chosen this by Maybelline, and this is in 108 Fit Check. And this is one of these Maybelline products. It's supposed to blur and be really terrific for mature lips. Let's put it on the left side. And wait till you see how they look together. Okay, I've put Fit Check on my left side, and we have Rosewood Ruby on my right. We've completed our entire look of the 8 products on each side. The right side's the high-end side, the left side is the affordable drugstore side. Let's take a real close look. Let's do the right side first. Now I'm going to turn to the left, and this is our drugstore affordable side. Well, there. Now let's go over what we used. On the high-end side, my foundation was the Givenchy Glow Serum. On the affordable side, we used the e.l.f. Glow Foundation. Our concealer that we used on the comparison on the high-end side was the Clarins. On the affordable side is the L'Oreal, and this is the True Match. And so the eyebrows on the high-end side, we have the Estee Lauder in Brunette. And on the affordable side, we have the L'Oreal. And did I tell you that this is called the Brow Stylist Shape and Fill? And this is in Brunette as well. Same identical name. All right, then we did our eyeshadow. So on the high-end side, we did the Hung Vango. Here are the eyeshadows right here. And let me show you what I used on our affordable side is the Milani. This is what I chose. Now for the blush, this is, on the high-end side, we did the Makeup by Mario, and on the affordable side, we used the e.l.f. And I'll have all of the colors in the description if you would like the exact color. The eyeliner for our high-end side is the Prada. The eyeliner on the left side, the affordable side, is the L'Oreal Infallible and Brown Denim. And the final touch was our lips. On our high-end side, we used the Lancôme Rouge lipstick, and this was in the Rosewood Ruby. And the comparison is by Maybelline Fit Check. But after you see everything completed, can you tell which one cost more? Could you tell, if you didn't know, that one side was affordable and one side was high-end? So with this being said, this is true testimony that price doesn't necessarily warrant a great product because it's how it looks, it's how it performs, and how it feels. So in the comments, will you please put which of all these products, whether it be the high-end or the affordable, which was your favorite? Keep me posted, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. And please consider subscribing to Ageless by Kimberly so we can continue to do this makeup fun together all the time. I look forward to seeing you again, and have a great rest of your day. Take care.